Hi, Tiny Feet-PS, where giggles grow and songs glow.
Five little ducklings went to play across the pond one sunny day. Mama called out, "Quack, come back." Only four came swimming back. Four little ducklings splashed with glee under the cloud and by the tree. Mama called out, "Quack, come back." Only three came swimming back. Three little ducklings laughed and played under the sun where ripples swayed. Mama called out, "Quack, come back." Only two came swimming back. Two little ducklings wandered far past the reeds where lilies are. Mama called out, "Quack, come back." Only one came swimming back. One little duckling all alone heard the call and hurried home. Mama quacked loud, "Quack, quack, quack." All five ducklings waddled back.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.